Ranger.
Habla mi de
Ranger
ti.
Charlie,
Habla mi de
what are you
ti.
up to? What are you doing?
Señor Roscoe.
Are you practicing your Japanese again, Ranger
Habla mi
Charlie?
de ti. No, Roscoe. I'm practicing Spanish. I'm trying to learn the words of the Spanish song. Habla mi de ti. Oh, I didn't tell you.
What's that? What?
We're having some guests on the show today. They came here all the way from Mexico City, Mexico, and they do great Mexican dancing. You guys are gonna love it.
Ooh, that's great, Ranger Charlie.
Habla
You know
mi
what?
de
We got
ti.
guests coming all the way from Mexico City. You know what? We should learn some Spanish then,
Oh,
shouldn't we?
okay. All right. We'll learn how to say hello, amigos, to our friends for when they come.
Simple
Hello is hola.
Hola.
Amigos is friends.
Ooh.
So let's try that.
Okay.
Hola,
Hola,
amigos.
amigos.
No
Yeah.
problem. Let's practice it during the cartoon.
Okay, we'll keep practicing.
Hola, amigos.
Yo!
Hola, amigos. We got it.
Yo,
No problem.
we have it,
Hola,
Ninja.
amigos. Well, Roscoe, they're here. This is the Shimali Aztec dancers, and they're here from Mexico City. They came here all the way from Mexico.
Oh, this is exciting, Ranger Charlie. Let me introduce them all here.
Okay.
We got a lot of them here. This is Juan Salinas there, and Luis Salinas, and Ricardo Molina, and then we also have Isala. Oh, and she's the
Isela
pretty one.
Salinas.
Yeah,
Yes,
she's the
Isela
pretty.
speaks a little bit of English. Oh, and we've got a surprise for you. We've been practicing some Spanish. Go ahead, guys. Hola, amigos.
How'd we
Hello, friends.
do? Oh, we did
got it,
pretty good,
Roscoe.
huh?
Well, why don't we show the kids some of their dancing?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay,
Let's
let's
roll
take a
that
look.
tape and show them how they move. This is great stuff. Yeah. Ranger Charlie. That was pretty exciting stuff.
Isela, you came up here to perform for the Goodwill Games, and now you moved here.
Yes.
But you don't all live here.
Except Ricardo, he came with us here
From
for
Mexico City?
yes,
Wow.
for some time.
Now I've got a question for you. Oh, also later on, be sure to get your pen and paper by the phone or by the television, because later on we're going to give you an address. If you know somebody or your organization would like to get a hold of the Aztec dancers, we're going to give you an address where you can reach them if you'd like to hire them for an event.
Yeah, you could
They
give
do
them a
all
call.
sorts of festivals and stuff.
Yeah, you could stop by and entertain you. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're good.
That's right. Now I've got my important question. All Americans must know this word. What's the Spanish word for pink? It's very important. Huh, Roscoe?
Oh, it's very, very important.
Pink?
The word is rosa.
Okay,
Rosa.
rosa.
Rosa, okay.
Rosa is a good color, right, Roscoe?
I guess so. You wear a little bit too much
That's right.
rosa there, Ranger.
And we're going to go to a break, and when we come back, you're going to get to see some more dancing from the Mexican dancers. We'll be right back.
I love that dancing, Ranger Charlie. That was great, Ranger Charlie. I really did like that. Someday we're going to have to go to Mexico, huh?
Oh, well, I think we should go there right now. Let's head out, Roscoe.
We're going to go? Whoa!
Here we are, Roscoe.
Whoa. This
Isn't
is
it
great. This is just excellent, Ranger Charlie. Boy.
This is the Cove of Tulum. It's near Cancun, Mexico. And look at the ruins back there.
Whoa, that's pretty sharp, Ranger Charlie. I wouldn't mind hanging out here for a while. This is
it's
just beautiful.
Great. You got sand, water, the ruins to look at. It's a great place, Roscoe.
It's great, Ranger Charlie. What are those old buildings for back
Well,
there?
those are ruins. They're ancient ruins from way back when the Mayas used to come here and do their trading.
Do their trading? Oh, you mean this is like a shopping mall or something like that?
Well, no, not really a shopping mall,
No,
Roscoe.
no,
this
not
was
quite.
years and years and years ago.
Oh, I see. Well, it's a little bit rustic for me, though, Ranger Charlie. Don't they have like any happening places around here with lots of
Oh,
people
you
hanging
want a
out and stuff
happening
like
place.
Yeah,
Okay.
come on now.
Got it.
Well,
Here
you
we
did.
go. Hang on, Roscoe.
Whoa! All right,
What do
now
you
this
think of that?
this is my side of town. Now this looks like it's rocking,
Yep,
Ranger
this
Charlie.
is the state of Jalisco, Mexico. It's just a little town called Puerto Vallarta.
Oh, I like it. Yeah.
The
Okay.
Puerto Vallarta.
Oh, Puerto
Isn't it great?
Vallarta. Yeah.
Right
Okay.
now we're on the boardwalk here, and as you can see, Roscoe, they even have cars in Mexico.
Oh, that's nice
and
to know.
stores and restaurants.
Oh, restaurants? You mean they might have liver pizza?
You want some food?
Yeah.
We can go right over there to Carlos O'Brien's.
Oh, let's go,
Come on,
Ranger
let's
Charlie.
go,
I'm
bud.
hungry. I'm starving. See you guys.
Hey,
Boy,
that wasn't
was
too
great,
bad, was
Ranger
it,
Charlie.
Roscoe?
Yeah, I had a blast. All
Mexico's
right.
a pretty nice place.
Yeah, it's great, Ranger Charlie. I was wondering, maybe we could check out those dancers one
Okay,
more
well,
time.
they've got
eh?
one more dance for us, so let's
Do
take a
we?
look.
Oh, right.
Roscoe. We gotta remind you guys, you can't do that flame thing at home.
Oh, no.
Hey, kids, it's birthday time. So join us now for our birthday rhyme. We got a Roscoe, the kids, Ranger Charlie too, ready to wish a happy birthday to you. Happy, happy Bubba birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Choose happy, happy Bubba birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Big way to go at birthday, kids, and we got a cartoon for you.
Happy
We'll be right back.
birthday! All right.
Hey, if you've got a special event or festival that you'd like to invite the Aztec dancers to, here's their address, 5612 University Way, Northeast, apartment 201, Seattle, Washington, 98105. Write that down. Hey, well, is Roscoe up to now? What are you doing there, buddy?
Oh, Yola. All right,
What's
all
up?
right, Ranger Telly. I'm ready. I'm taking off. I'm on my way, Ranger Telly.
You're
ready.
on your way to Mexico,
That's right, Ranger Telly. I've decided to join up with the dancers. They said they would have me. Yeah.
Well, good luck. I hope you have fun. Well, we'll say adios to Roscoe and adios to all the kids over there. That means
Okay.
goodbye in Spanish. You guys ready?
Okay.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
Adios, Roscoe.
To these
See you
guys,
later, dudes.
adios.
Oh, gotta go. Whoa.
Adios,
Gotta be going.
amigos.
Oh,
See ya later. You guys can get up and wave at all your friends at home.